In this video, we will break down the Hello World program. Line 1. Include IOStream. Is a header file library that lets us work with input and output objects, such as cout. Header files add functionality to C++ programs. Line 2. Using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. Don't worry if you don't understand the first 2 lines. Just think of it as something that will always appear in your programs. Line 3. A blank line. C++ will ignore this line. Line 4. Int main. Another thing that always appears in a C++ program. This is called a function. Any code inside the curly brackets will be executed. Line 5 and line 8. Opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Starts and ends the main function. We call all lines of code between them a code block. Line 6. Cout hello world. Cout is an object used together with the insertion operator to print the text. In our example, it will output hello world. Line 7. Return 0. Ends the main function. You may notice the semicolon at the end of each line. The semicolon is used to end a statement. The main function can be written on just one line like that. But we write the code on multiple lines because it makes the code easier to read. We've just explored the structure of a basic C++ program. Thanks for watching.